Do you know the different centers of a triangle? So I know that you are familiar with this. So let's try now to understand what are these centers, and I know that you are familiar with some of these terminologies. So first we have the circumcenter. What is the circumcenter? It is the point of concurrency of the perpendicular bisector. Once you say perpendicular, we have here the 90 degree and it bisects each segments into two. Notice here that we have here an equal segments, and then we draw a line, and the point of concurrency of this line is the circumcenter. How about the incenter? For the incenter, we have the point of concurrency of this angle bisector. So we divide the angles into two equal parts for each triangle, and we draw a line out of it, and then their intersection is known as the incenter. Now, how about the centroid? For the centroid, this is the point of concurrency of all the medians. So here we get the medians of this side, and then we try to intersect all the lines. Okay? And next, how about the orthocenter? For the orthocenter, this is the point of concurrency of all the altitudes. Meaning to say, from the point or vertex of a triangle, we draw 90 degree on the opposite side, and so this is also the 90 degree to the opposite side, and then 90 degree to the other side, and so this one is the orthocenter. So you may want to visit my GeoGebra site wherein you want to study the properties of a circumcenter and the circumcircle. How about the incenter and the incircle? Also for the centroid and also for the orthocenter. Now, the question here is, which among these center is the center of gravity for a regular or irregular triangle?